we have some important work as well. Like that's why.
Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, no problem. You can do it later.
Okay.
Okay, parallelly in the this is a manual testing, right? Okay,
Yeah.
just now
Yeah.
we are doing this is a manual testing. Parallelly we learn uh, the Selenium as well as C sharp as well as manual testing. Okay,
Okay.
you have Visual Studio in your mission.
Visual Studio. I have to
Yeah,
ask
Visual Studio.
Biplop because I don't know.
Okay, okay. Yeah, is there. Okay,
Okay.
once you install software now, this is a Visual Studio. Search with Visual Studio now. This is the Visual
Okay.
Studio. Okay,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
okay. Using this tool, you write a code and okay.
Yeah.
So here, the create a new project is there, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Select a create a new project. Okay.
Yeah.
Create new project. You are first time creating a project, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then yeah, install more tools and features. Now click that link.
Which one? Show more details.
Inst- Install more tools and features is there, right?
No, it's saying, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Should I put yes?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, 1 minute. In the scroll down here, na? Scroll down. .NET Core class platform development is there. Select check the checkbox. Na?
Okay. Yeah.
Uh, go up, go up. Uh, mm, Install while downloading. Click the install while downloading. Just modify na. Click modify. Okay. Okay. It will install na. Okay.
There is a like continue. There is a before we get started. There is a message.
Yeah.
Continue, right?
Continue. Yeah. Yeah. Continue. Okay.
Yeah.
Leave it. It will take some time. Okay.
Okay.
Once after install na, you can able to create a project. Okay. Later on that. Okay.
Yeah. What am I gonna do today?
Open Chrome.
Open Chrome?
Yeah, open Chrome.
Okay.
Open Chrome. Yeah. See, we discussed in the bug side. Yesterday we discussed the bug, right?
Yeah.
How to log a bug now? If you found any deviation from the requirement, you log a bug, right?
Yeah.
So, way to log bug now. So, different tools are there. Okay.
Okay.
Different types of how to log a bug. You know, right? This is the bug steps.
Yeah.
Everything is know, right?
Yeah.
But okay, way to log the bugs. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the bug. It's you
Yeah.
log any bug na bug title, bug steps, test steps, actual result, expected result, status is failed. What is the status and you open? We discussed, right? So
Yeah.
this is the bug, right? So
Yeah.
way to log the bug na. So we
Yeah.
have different tools are there. Jira is there, QC, so many tools are there. So
Yeah.
Jira is the open source. This is no need to pay money. This is a
Okay.
free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm.
So uh, then first time you create this Jira board, na?
Yeah.
Jira. Okay. So you are logging to Jira board.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So this is open source. You directly log in with your Gmail ID or something. Okay.
Yeah. So is Jira is only for like
Get
login
started
to
with
the
Google.
path?
You have Google, right?
Yeah.
Logging bug, and we discussed regarding the agile methodology, right?
Yeah.
Agile methodology,
Yeah.
sprint planning. So that is that one is also possible with Jira, bug
Okay.
tracking tool and project management tool.
Yeah.
Agile methodology. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Continue with Google. Okay.
Yeah.
Or sign up with Gmail. You have a Google account, right?
Yes. Mhm.
Click continue with Google now. enter your username, password.
Yeah, it's loading.
Yeah.
Let me try with Biplop's account. It should be okay, right? Or should I put my account?
Anything is fine. You know the password, right? You know the
Oh
Bibla password.
no, I don't know. That is mine. Banket, can I record it?
Yeah. You are recording.
Okay,
Already
okay,
started recording.
okay. Thank you.
Hello. Click on hello.
Hello. Okay.
Uh,
Create your account.
yeah. Create an account. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Click create an account. Create your account.
Okay. Still loading.
Okay. It's loading. Loading.
Yeah.
So Jira is some to track the bug tracking tool as well as project management tool.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So your site name means your company name, like that. So in the organization, so many projects are there, right?
Yeah.
So you enter your name or something. Okay. Yeah. Continue.
Mm-hmm. saying invite your teammates.
Uh, as of now, okay. Invite you miss.
Should I add Biplav's email? So I'm just like pretending he is the teammate.
No, 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, skip. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is a Jira software. Okay. This
Okay.
is a Jira software. Okay.
Mhm.
Just you register now, you get this. Okay. So
Yeah.
this different tracking. Yeah.
Yeah.
Three types of project is there. One is Kanban.
Kanban. Yeah.
Kanban. Okay,
Kanban.
this is a Kanban board, project management tool. This is
Yeah.
the project management tool. This is a Scrum, means
Scrum.
Agile methodology
Yeah.
plugin.
Mhm.
Agile methodology tool. Okay, this
Yeah.
is a bug tracking tool, means bug identification, bug logging. This is the bug. Okay,
Yeah.
three types of projects are there. Three types of okay boards are
Yeah.
there here. One is for Kanban board and Scrum. This is the
Mhm.
Agile methodology and bug tracking. This is a
Yeah.
bug, we already know, right? This is a bug
Yeah.
tracking tool.
Big.
Okay, three types of projects there. So first we will go to the bug tracking. Okay,
Okay.
first we go to the select. Okay, bug
Yeah.
tracking. Enter your project name. So in the organization, see, this is the organization URL. For
Yeah.
example, this is the organization URL. Okay, they
Yeah.
will providing a URL and access to uh, they will provide access to you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
in the organization, don't create a this type of URLs. Okay,
Yeah.
so already project, so your company is abc.atlassian.net. Okay,
Yeah.
that project URL is there. Okay, they
Yeah.
will providing this URL and provide access to you. So you
Okay.
log in, and already in the organization so many projects are there, right? So
Yeah.
select your project. Okay,
Okay.
so for
Yeah.
example, your project is Google, some this, and Google just, this is your project, for example, Google
Yeah.
project. Okay,
Yeah. Mhm.
okay, okay, create.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
select it, create na.
Yeah.
So in the organization, Google test project is created. Okay,
Yeah.
in the organization so many projects are there, right?
Yeah.
Hundreds of projects are there, but what is your project now? Google test. We have only access to Google test only.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
so who, whom to responsibility create a project na, not your responsibility. Company admin is there. Okay, Jira people, they will create a project and they will assign a user to your project. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
this is a Google test project. In the company so many projects are there. This is a Google test project. This is your project, and you are logged into your project and access to your project. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
this is the, nothing is there, right?
Yeah.
So you are logging, and in the Google test now nothing is there.
Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
first you, okay,
Mhm.
you create a, you identify one bug. Okay,
Yeah.
just create, one symbol is there na, create button is there. Select create button, and okay, this is your project, right? Automatically select that project.
Yeah. Blanket, I can hear you. Blanket, are you there? I cannot hear you.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now is my voice is
No, I couldn't hear you. That's why I was thinking.
Hello, Mashima.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, yeah. Open the Excel sheet, na. Open Excel sheet.
Okay. Yeah.
Take the title. Copy the title. Bug title.
Copy the bug title. Okay.
Yeah. Copy the bug title.
Yeah.
Go to this. Open that Chrome, na. Jira software is there, right?
Yeah.
Jira. And the summary, paste it, na. This is
Okay.
a bug summary. Okay.
Yeah.
And test steps is there, right?
Yeah.
Copy the test steps
All of them.
and paste it in the description. Yeah, all. Okay.
Yeah.
So reporter is your name. You observe, na.
Yeah.
Reporter. You are the reporter. Automatically your name is displayed here. And scroll down and scroll down. And medium. No, priority, right? We
Yeah.
already know, right? What is the priority? Okay.
Yeah.
Priority will set by
The developer.
developer.
Yeah.
And okay, you add scroll down. You provide environment, now which environment you can provide QA or anything in QA na in dev or something. Okay, and take screenshot na and attach the screenshot, right? You take screenshot na.
Yeah.
Open Google. Yeah, open Google. Take any screenshot and upload it na. No. Open new tab. Google. Select sign in button. Yeah, save the screenshot na. Save that screenshot. Okay, desktop manual testing, right? Go to that Eclipse, this Chrome software, Chrome. Here on browse the file. Drag and drop or browse. Okay. No, not OneDrive, right? Yeah, Google from the. Insert a file. Yeah. Then it's right. Then scroll down. You assign to someone. So as of now, assign. Click on assign, na.
Yeah.
Assignee.
Assignee. to me or
As of now, only you are only available, right?
yeah.
As of now, click assign to me. Okay.
Okay.
If any member are there, na, those member is available. As of now, click on assign to me something. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, assigning, who is assigning? Developer is assigning, right?
Developers. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. As of now, only you are okay. And create. Issues. Bug is created, right? Where is that bug? See here, work on this created bug, right? This is a bug. You created invalid error message for first name field. Okay.
Okay.
Bug ID is 0v1. Okay.
Yeah.
This is a bug ID, and I click on this now. This is the you writing, right? Attachment, everything. So developers see and they will provide any comments now. Okay.
Yeah.
Some please provide comments like that. You provide any comments now in this
Yeah.
here. You can provide a comments. Developer will provide, and you are also you provide your comments like that. Keep on
Yeah.
going. Okay. And okay, you know, right, how to create a bug, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Here in the in this Jira, one three types of projects are there. One is Kanban board and the Scrum meeting and the Scrum and one more bug tracking tool, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll go to Kanban board. Okay, bug tracking, normal project management tool. No?
Yeah.
So two types of boards are there here. Okay.
Yes.
One is for bug tracking, that is different. Coming to boards, na, Scrum board is there, Kanban board is there. Scrum is agile methodology. Kanban board is we discussed regarding few methodologies like waterfall model, spiral model,
A
V model.
model.
No?
Yeah.
So all are going to Kanban board. Only agile methodology will go to Scrum
Scrum.
methodology.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll create a Kanban board. Okay. Create
Okay.
a Kanban board. Okay. Board created. So board name some Google. This is your project, right?
Yeah.
And create a board. Okay. So the actually admin guy create a board everything. Okay. So
Yeah.
you can access. Okay. This is your board.
Yeah.
Okay. This is your board. Okay. Uh, this is your board. Okay.
So, Venkat, so
Hmm.
create a bug. So I have to go to the Jira and then I have to use the tracking bag, right? Then
Yeah.
create a
Yes.
bug there. Then
Uh,
once I created the bug, then I have to use the board, correct?
no. No. First create a board.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So first create your board. Okay. So
Yeah.
as of now, everyone using the uh, Scrum board. Okay. So in the first we will discuss Kanban board. First
Okay.
create a board.
Yeah.
Though this is a board means your simple your project related things available here.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
This is a Google project Kanban board related thing.
Yeah.
So in this now, so uh, in the day to day you log a one bug, right? See, this is
Yeah.
your bug.
Yeah.
See, it displayed now automatically here. Okay, in this board you displayed those bug. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Once developer fixing the bug na, working on that na, move to
Progress.
in progress
Yeah.
and completed na, done like that. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
that move to status.
Yeah.
And this is regarding the bugs. Okay.
Yeah.
Coming to task, you have every day one task, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So one day test case creation is there, one day test case execution like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. uh, for create a task, right? So this is your project and you not creating a bug. Okay.
Yeah.
Task. Okay. You
Okay.
creating a task.
Task.
And what is your task today? Okay.
Yeah.
Create first of all
Understand.
understand the document,
Yeah.
understand the document, review the document like that. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
This is your task today. Okay. You
Mm-hmm.
providing any notes now, you can provide. Okay.
Yeah.
Notes. Okay.
Yeah.
Deep understanding, understanding on this model methodology, this model and document name, so many things. You provide any description, brief discussion, or okay, you
Yeah.
provide any comments. Okay. Then you are the reporter, right? You are the task owner, right?
Yeah.
And create a your task. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is your task. Okay.
Yeah.
And you after creating a task you can update also, you can update. Okay.
Yeah.
Update this, update is like that, you can update anything. Okay. Okay. Then you can, you are the assigner, you are the assigner, right?
Yeah.
You are the reporter. Otherwise your manager will report and assign to you. That is
Mm-hmm.
also fine, right?
Yeah.
Your manager create a task and assign to you. Otherwise you create a task and you can assign. Okay. Anyway, this is your task for today. And tomorrow task na,
Yeah.
create and one more task. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Task. Okay. Summary. Create test cases. and create test cases for module login something. You
Yeah.
provide some some module for login like that. You provide any description and reporter. You are the reporter, and you provide any comments like this, and assignee. You are the assignee, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And create one more task.
Task.
In this way, you can create a task.
Yeah.
This is a your
Own
task.
task.
Okay.
Yeah.
So once documentation reviews working on today, you can move this task to
Prog.
in progress. Means still working on that area. Okay. Once this task is done now, move to done. Otherwise, okay, in
Yeah.
progress.
Okay.
You are working on create test cases. Same. You can move to in progress. Otherwise, don't start. Leave it. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you are only one person available now. Only one person task is available. Another person is there now. Another person task is also available here.
Yeah.
Okay. So based on that, the manager will check this board on day-to-day activity or weekly activity. So yeah, Masruma is there. Masruma, how many tasks are there? 2 tasks are there. Still not started these 2 tasks. Okay.
Yeah.
One more task is there, and this is under progress. How many tasks completed? No task completed.
None.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. For example, this is task completed, and this one is in progress. Okay. So Masruma have one task is there still not started. One task is there in progress. One start already completed. Okay.
Yeah.
Another person like that, they will track the your work. Got it, Masruma? This is
Yeah.
a Kanban board, but no timelines is there. Kanban board now there is no time. Okay.
Okay.
You created this task, right?
Yeah.
There is no end date.
Okay.
You can work on, but in the same task is available in the Scrum board also, but the timeline is there in the Scrum board. That is the only one difference. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
You got it a Kanban board.
Yeah.
Kanban board now. You have any, so your person is very. You can see only your task. Some other persons are there. Then you can see the some other task also here. Okay.
Yeah.
And my manager will check. So how many tasks pending? So you no task is available now. They
Yeah.
will create another task and assign to you. Otherwise, you can create your own task and assign to you your name,
Yeah.
like that. So
Okay.
based on the your task now, they will. Okay. And the bugs also. How many bugs are? This is a bug. This is a task.
Yeah.
This is a task. This is a bug. You observe, na?
Yeah.
Simple. So, Masruma logged one bug and working on that bug, like that. Okay.
Yeah.
This is the Kanban board.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Agile methodology, na? One more board is there. One more board. This is Agile board, right?
Yeah.
Scrum board. I will explain later. Tomorrow.
Okay.
It will take some time. Okay. Yeah, as of now, how to log a board, what is Kanban board, you clear, right?
Yeah. Kanban
Okay.
board is good.
Okay.
So, in Jira, so Visual Studio will start tomorrow or?
Tomorrow, parallelly will start.
So it looks like it's a reboot required. Should I restart?
Yeah. Restart the mission now, it will install. Okay. Hello, Masrima.
Yeah.
You can restart now mission, it will install Visual Studio. Okay.
Okay. So today.
Then you will connect. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This one I can do later, but then I will practice on the Kanban today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
And
Okay.
then we'll have a class tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow you are available, right? Tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. I
Yeah.
can
Yeah.
do tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Monday, so Banket, I would prefer if we can do on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, Maslima. Okay.
Okay, okay then. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye,
Thank you.
Maslima. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.